Hi, Pinoy PS4 noobs and elites. It's me, Jarek, and yeah, what we're gonna do today is I'm going to teach you how to install your grips for your controllers for DS4. These things wear out really easily. So even with like a few days of use, you already find that you're wearing it out. So before that happens, what you do is, I'm sorry, when you buy a controller, you should also get a pair of these, okay? Thumb grips. And make sure that the pair that you get has 10 dots. Why? Because the one with the 8 dots here, yeah, the 8 marks there, are for the PS3 or the DualShock 3. These babies are for the DS4. It's a lot smaller than the DS3 ones, and it fits a lot better, okay? Because these ones are specifically made for the PS4 controller, okay? Okay. So what you do is you turn it inside out, okay? This is how it would be once you put your finger on it, but what you do is you turn it inside out, okay? Turn it inside out. Okay, so now my thumb is inside the outer portion of the grip, and then what I do is I push it against the controller, the analog stick. Push it against the analog stick. Help it with your other hand. Okay, I missed that. It should get in pretty easily with this technique. Okay, got it with both hands. Here we go. Yep. It looks a lot better and it feels better. Okay, let's put on the other one. Let's see if I can show you exactly how it can be attached. See right here. Okay. Push it down and help it with your other hand. There we go. There. Yeah. Okay. That was pretty easy. So now you don't have to worry about your controller thumb sticks getting worn out very easily because they're already protected. Okay. So that's for the thumb grip installation. Stay tuned on my channel to check out the installation of the controller glove, the power-up controller glove. Alright? Catch you in a bit.